Hi, my name is Amy Otis-Wilborn, and I'm the coordinator for the DHH program, Teacher Certification Program, here at UWM. I want to give you an introduction to your class 655, which starts this Tuesday. I'm not your instructor. Your instructor is Christine Parker. But I'm going to do the introduction. This class is organized in 4 parts. There are 6 modules, and for each module there are 4 parts. Starts with launch, and the second part is explore, third is summarize, and the fourth is apply. For launch, that really begins on Tuesday. There's a question on D2L, it's posted on D2L, and you respond to it. Quick response, no need to do readings, but it gets you started on the module. So that's Tuesday. Then you need to do the readings. You have a book, and I think that really for each module, 1, maybe 2 chapters you will read. And there are other things online on D2L for the module for you to read as well. The third part is the summarize, and that's really a discussion. It's the online discussion that you do with your peers who are in class. You start on Tuesday, and it kind of goes all the way through to Monday night. But you need to post your first post by Thursday. Then you need to finish with 2-3 more posts in the conversation that you have with your peers. The fourth part, again, is apply, and that is a project that you do independently and post to D2L. So, 4 parts, 6 modules, and I think that will kind of help you get started. Hope you enjoy, learn a lot. Good luck.